Out here with Mr. Tim today, cutting some trees. It's a big oak we just cut down right here. You can see that huge stump. Moving them over to the side. Got a skid steer over there. He's about to start cleaning it up. And so we're gonna get it done. Got it loaded down. Using that loader to clean up all that stuff right there, raking it. Stacking them right there. All right, so right here, Mr. Tim, he got the stump started there for me so I could keep it level as I'm cutting around and everything. That was a big stump right there. I have to say that was a big stump, and it took a lot longer to cut through it than I thought it would. And you'll see here at the end of this clip right here, Mr. Tim, I was almost done with the stump, but before I got done with it, Mr. Tim was waiting on me because he had his saw hung in the tree, and I didn't know it, but I mean he was waiting on me to finish the cutting the stump off so that he could grab the saw and cut his saw out of the tree. So you'll see him here in just a minute, just standing there kind of like, "What you doing, Hunter? Come on, speed it up." But anyway, like I said, I didn't know it, because I was just sawing away there, wasn't paying attention to nothing but the saw. So, but thought that was pretty funny. You'll see him here in just a second. Yep, you see him right there looking at his watch. Yep, there he is. He's like, "Come on, and just cut it right there. Just hurry up, come on." right here. Bunch of it. Got all this, what's on there, and I think we're gonna go all the way up that way as far as we can too. That stump's about, all these stumps are probably about 30 inches or less. I mean, they're big stumps, heavy too. Anxious to see how many we can get on this trailer. Things are heavy. See the moisture coming out of it right there. That's the water coming out of that tree. Crazy. That just shows you how heavy they are. You know they're heavy if they got moisture in them like that right there. This stuff will split good, I mean. Ought to split real good. I love splitting red oak. tree right here. It's got a dead top in it. And we got water lines and faucets and stuff right here. And then of course that dead top up there. Can't really see it, but it's dead. And so we're gonna try to get it down here. So he's marking about where he thinks the tree's gonna go. So that way he knows where to make his hinge and everything. So he's got the machine sitting up against the tree. This was a pretty interesting video here. You see me splitting logs and everything right here, but I thought this video from today here is pretty cool because you kind of get to see the full steps of the firewood. You see the tree getting cut down, and then you see us sawing it up, and then you see us loading it up, and then you see me splitting it here. So I thought that was pretty neat. Just thought I'd throw that in there because just thought it was pretty cool. But man, I love splitting this firewood and stuff. I'm ready for grass to start back growing though. I'm ready to start back doing that and everything, but right now I'm really enjoying this firewood stuff, and we've sold a bunch of it. We sold a whole bunch, and so but all this stuff right here that I'm splitting right now is real green, real wet. As I showed you earlier, you can see the moisture coming out of the logs on the trailer there, the water, and so this stuff right here will not be ready to sell this year. It'll probably be ready by next year and everything. Hopefully we can have it dried out by next year. That's why I'm trying to split it now. That way I can stack it and everything and have it ready to go by next year. And so it'll be ready to go then. But right now you really wouldn't want to burn it because it'll be just sizzling and water will be coming out the ends of it and everything. So, but yep, hope you enjoyed today's video. It's not over yet, so just enjoy the rest of it. So. So this is a lot of the wood that we split up from that job you just saw us do. And so here's some more. Here's what I got left. That, and we got this stump, and then 4 more over there, and then of course what we got on the trailer, and then that little pile right there. So got a good bit left to split, but we're coming along pretty good with it. Yeah, I had a good time Saturday, cutting those trees down, or watching Mr. Tim cut those trees down and everything. Learning a whole lot. I love running those chainsaws and really anything outdoors. I love working outdoors and stuff. I guess as you can see by my channel, that's about all I do. And so I really love it, enjoy it. And I love doing this firewood stuff here. But we're about to get into lawn care season, or grass season, and about to see a lot of lawn care stuff hopefully. And so I'm really excited about that too. But yeah, that job on, we did it, let's see, last Saturday. That was kind of a random thing, wasn't expecting it or anything. Mr. Tim called me the night before and was like, hey, I got a tree job, you want to come? Got some firewood on it. I was like, sure, I'll come. So went that Saturday. We were there probably half a day. Came back here, unloaded the stuff, and then we went back about the middle of the week to go pick up the rest of the wood from it and everything. And so that's what happened with that. Had a real good time with that, learned a lot. And so yep, hope you enjoyed it. You will see some more firewood splitting of this wood right here, because I got a lot. As you saw, I got a lot left to split. So you will see some more of that later on. And so hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you later.